Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, April 30th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, April is over with. We actually had a pretty good month, but we are going out with a whimper. Today was kind of another one of those boring, unprofitable days. Although we did see some significant price action. We're looking at the Dow here. You can see what happened. It was very erratic today, but I'd rather have it erratic than just not doing anything. It opened higher, and of course the sellers came in, and they really pushed it down. And I was watching it here. I thought, my God, this thing is going to fall out of bed. Uh, I'm sure we were down over 100 down here. But then it rallies from this and rallied all day and ended up closing near its high for the day and up 39 points. This is what I call a bull spike, and I haven't been predicting the Dow for the next day for quite a while, but I will tell you it's going to good dollars to donuts. It's gonna go up tomorrow. As a matter of fact, in the aftermarket, it's up 50 already. So um, I actually would see this price action as possibly propelling it quite a bit higher tomorrow. We'll just have to see what happens. But actually, that pattern doesn't look all that bad to me. But we didn't have a great day. We had six stocks coming in, and we got out of those with $593 in profit. But it was positive. We did make almost $600 on our exits. Um, with this crazy action, we didn't get into but one position, and I think that was good. That's one of the strengths of the system. Tends to stand aside when the stocks are down or erratic. But unfortunately, that single position uh, turned out to be a little bit nasty. That was, and we're holding with one negative position. We're negative $2,700 in open trade going into tomorrow, and I will show you that chart. Um, so I'll show you that chart. This was um, GH, which is Guardant Health Incorporated, and this was our nemesis for the day. It took off right on the open. We ended up buying it right there, and then it just fell apart after we got into it and comes down and closing fairly close to its low, and that's how we're ending up down $2,700 in Guardant Health. Now, uh, it's we're not out of it yet, and it's not over to the fat lady sings. I did check, and in the aftermarket, at least one point, we were actually up close to break even on this. So, who knows what it's going to do tomorrow? But I will bet anything that we will at least get out at a better price than where it closes today. We did have one good. Actually, this was just a super trade uh, on a kind of a crappy day, and so I'll show that to you. This is CVRS, which is Corndus Vascular Robotics. CVRS. Anyway, we bought this kind of toward the end of the day yesterday, and it did close profitably. But look at this exit. We actually sold the high tick of the day to exit that trade. Just perfect exit. Couldn't plan it any better. but this was a mechanical exit on our system. So the system did really well selling the high tick of the day. And we took $3,400 out of CVRS. Very happy with that one. That's just a beautiful trade. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.